Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of Python frameworks and how they empower modern web development. We'll explore different types of frameworks, their features, and how to choose the right one. At the end, I will explain Flask in detail, one of the most popular micro frameworks. So let's get started. What are Python frameworks? A Python framework is a pre-written structure that helps developers build applications efficiently. Instead of writing everything from scratch, frameworks provide reusable code, tools, and features. This allows developers to focus on building unique functionalities without worrying about repetitive tasks. What are the main features a framework provides? Structure and organization provides a foundation for building web applications with predefined components, libraries, and conventions. Second, simplified development. Streamline common tasks, reduces repetitive coding, and promote consistency. Code reusability is the main feature, provides built-in solutions from repetitive tasks like routing, database management, and authentication. Now, why do we use a framework? Why should you use a framework? Here are three major benefits. First of all, faster development. Reused coding time by leveraging pre-built components and libraries. Framework provides pre-built components, reducing the time needed to write a code. Second, improve security. Built-in security measures and best practices protect your application from vulnerability. They come with built-in security features to protect application from vulnerabilities. Third and the major important feature is scalability and maintainability, designed to handle growing user base and complex applications, enhancing long-term project success. Framework helps in building applications that can grow with increasing user complexities. Now, let us study about types of Python frameworks. Python frameworks are categorized into three main types. First of all, full stack frameworks. These provide everything needed for both front-end and back-end development. Example, Django. Full stack offers comprehensive tools for both front-end and back-end development. Second, micro frameworks. These are lightweight and flexible framework giving developers more control over which components to include. Example, Flask. Third one is asynchronous framework, designed for handling multiple requests at once, making them ideal for real-time applications like chat system. Example, Fast APIs. Now, let me discuss about popular Python frameworks. Some of the most widely used Python frameworks are Flask, a lightweight minimalist framework for all applications. Django, a full stack framework perfect for large and complex projects. Third one is Fast API, an asynchronous framework designed for building high-performance APIs. Now, features of Python framework. While choosing a framework, consider these important features. Routing. First of all, it manages URLs and directs requests to the right functions. Second is templating. Allow dynamic content generation using HTML and Python. Third one is database integration, which makes it easier to connect applications to database. Fourth is security, comes with protection against common cyber threats. Fifth is testing tools, ensures quality by providing unit and integration testing features. Sixth is community support. A large and active community ensures better learning and troubleshooting. Now, which one should you choose? Flask versus Django. Let's compare both of them. Flask and Django are two of the most popular Python frameworks, but they serve different purposes. What is Flask? Flask is a minimalist and gives developer complete control over the application structure. It's great for small projects, and Django is a full stack framework that includes built-in features like authentication, database management, and templating, making it ideal for large applications. Flask allows for greater flexibility, while Django provides all rapid development. Now, choosing for the right Python framework. To choose the best framework for your project, consider first of all project scope. Small projects may benefit from Flask, while large ones require Django. Performance needs. If you need high-speed performance and concurrency, Fast API is a good choice. Development team skills. Choose a framework that you choose is comfortable working with. Fourth is community and documentation. A strong community means better support and learning resources. Now let's deep dive into Flask. Now let's talk in detail about Flask. What is Flask? Flask is a micro framework for Python. It provides core features needed for web development while leaving others up to the It's lightweight, flexible, and easy to use. What are the key features of Flask? First of all, minimalist design. It includes only essential features, letting developers add what they need. Flexibility. Developers can choose which library and tool to integrate. Third is ideal for small projects. Flask is really ideal for small projects, commonly used for prototypes, REST APIs, and microservices. Fourth one, extension support. Although it's minimal effort, Flask has a variety of extensions for database integration, authentication, and more. Built-in development server. It has a built-in debugger and server for easier testing examples. Why choose Flask? Flask is perfect for developers who want control over their project structure. Small to medium applications that don't need a full stack framework can choose Flask. Rapid prototyping and REST APIs development. So let's wrap this up and wind up with a conclusion. Let's wrap up on pattern tables. Why tables are important, their types, and how to choose the right one. We also explored Flask in details. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to know implementation of Flask, please tap the I button and go on link. Thank you so much.